How to fix iPhone charging but battery percent not increasing on iOS 17. So in order to fix this issue, what you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, scroll down and then you have to head over to battery. Inside battery, head over to battery health and charging. So in this page, you have to make sure that this option is turned on, optimized battery charging. If it is already turned on, turn it off and then enable it again. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is, you have to restart your device. Tap on device and then tap on more. Over here, the option of restart will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it and then restart your device. Once your device has been restarted, now the next thing you want to do is, once again head over to your settings. Inside settings, you have to move into general and then scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset once again. You have to click on reset all settings at the very top. After that, follow the on-screen process and then the settings will be reset. After that, you'll be good to go. Well, if you're still having the issue, then what you want to do is, you have to try changing your charger or try changing the charger port. Sometime it might also be causing the issue and you might not know. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix iPhone charging but battery not increasing on iOS 17. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.